back through the magic of camera work. We now have Scott Kramer here from TLR and Losi. And what you're seeing is a very familiar sight until you really zoom in and see we got an electric conversion going on here.
That's right. This thing is pretty awesome. What we have is it's from TLR, but it's actually for the TLR 5B 5-scale gas buggy and the Losi 5T gas truck. So it drops right into both vehicles. That's like, besides all the cool stuff and features that it comes with, that's probably the most important feature is that you bolt it in. There's no drilling, there's no fitting, there's no nothing. A lot of the other conversion kits that are out there, it's all, drill this, measure this. It's kind of a pain to do. This, you could drop it right in. We had our 5th-scale guru, Lee Morrison, drop it in, and I think within a half an hour he had the motor and everything out and had this back in. So fairly easy conversion. Pretty quick.
Yeah, I see a lot of carbon fiber, a lot of quality, and I see also a mechanical brake that I think you said was optional.
Correct. So the kit comes with carbon fiber battery trays, which are fully adjustable. They work from the standard packs all the way to the larger 162 millimeter packs, which is pretty cool. 6S to 8S, and there's a bunch of carbon fiber, a bunch of aluminum, dual aluminum steering saver mount. Just really quality stuff. It's not cheap plastics. It's all composite. Yeah, it works really smooth. But then, like you mentioned, it comes with all the hardware so that you could actually mount a mechanical brake in this. For those of you that don't know what that is, basically, when you have an electric motor, the motor is what stops you. So that basically throws equal braking front and rear. You can't adjust it, but in like nitro, A-scale, or even the gas vehicles, you have brakes, front and rear brakes that you can adjust, change the bias. So this allows you, with the addition of the servo, you can have adjustable front and rear brakes. Then you turn the brakes off in the ESC, which helps the whole system run a lot cooler and get the 15-20 minute runtime that guys expect out of a gas vehicle.
Great. And do we know a runtime on this with the big 4S packs, or I should say 8S total, but the big 4S?
Not yet. I know that that we've got this one set up, ready to roll. So we're going to hook it up to a DX6R and go have some fun. So we'll let you guys know what we get out of it and what kind of speeds, because as most of us know, the electric vehicles are a lot is than the gas vehicles. So it's going to be interesting to see how wicked this is.
Knowing how the DBX LE runs, it's going to be very exciting to see this, especially on track where this is designed for. Same with the 5T.
Correct.
So it's going to be very cool to see.
Yeah, this is going to be a lot more nimble around the corners than the DBX LE would be, especially with the racing tires and stuff like that, and the suspension. It's probably going to jump a lot better, and then having the brake, with the optional brake, I think it's just going to be a phenomenal thing to drive, almost like an e-buggy, A-scale e-buggy.
Yeah, I think Max and I need to do some videos later with this. How about that?
Yeah, I think we'll keep this over in our section for a little while right now and let you guys have fun with it later.
Perfect. We're going to have info on this, obviously, on horizonhobby.com. We'll put up probably some various key points on Facebook and Twitter as well. When can we expect these on the website? Do we know that yet?
On the website, they should be on the website, should be today or
I should say, when do they start? When will they ship?
I believe they will be shipping in about a month or two.
Okay.
So fairly soon. Fairly soon they'll be here. And just keep a watch on our TLR and Losi Facebook pages, and once they come in stock, we'll definitely put some announcements out there so you guys can get them right away.
Very cool. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comments. We're going to let you go. I know this is probably a little long of an episode, but we had a lot of big stuff to cover. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the same time, same place next week.